Hey guys, so, oh shit, we are in Santa Ana right now with Hema and Chava. Woohoo! Woohoo! We're here for this block party thing. We're gonna see how it is. Took us forever to find parking, but we're gonna dance our asses off tonight. I'm just kidding. That's like the most stupidest shit.
We're gonna swear dance.
Oh, it sounded like that. But yeah, so we'll see you when we get there. Oh,
Not a motherfucking thing. Hey, hey, listen. I wanna see you put your hands in the air now. Hands in the air now. Hands in the air now. Hold up. What you know about me? I tell them hands in the air now. Hands in the air now. Hands in the air now.
what you got there? Oh wow.
Exclusive.
Here are like the 2 fries that I ate.
Thank you.
Such a variety of hamburgers.
Fries.
Oh!
Yeah. Fall, bitch.
Ew.
Fuck you, I ain't gonna hurt you.
Yes! He can sing! We're going to the beach! We got the Uber. Java, you're falling asleep, dude?
Let me be.
No, dude, you gotta
when
wake
there's
up.
that one person that gotta ruin your nap.
Dude! Dead. We're going to Venice. Go on the pier. Go on the rides.
We are?
Yeah. I'm just kidding, they cost too much.
You're the cheapest YouTuber.
Buy me all the rides then, motherfucker.
It's okay.
Motherfucker. That's my new sweater. I'm so happy about it. He got a new sweater too, but it doesn't have anything cool about it, so.
The natural.
And another news, we lost our friends because they ditched us while we were shopping. Just because we wanted new sweaters. Dude, I love it. Like I got a sweater at one time that said YMCMB, you know the one that I showed you?
Yeah,
I really thought that one was like the most coolest fucking sweater I could have ever got. But now I think this one is. Wait, those are mine.
I know, but I look.
Those are mine.
Girl, I'll headbutt you.
Just kidding. You would though.
I really would. I'm not gonna pass out.
Help me. It's pretty fucking cold. Then again, it is like 7 p.m. I cannot. Dude, I cannot. I literally cannot. Hey guys, so I just got back home from this amazing weekend. Today was awesome because we went to the beach and I got a beautiful sweater that I'm in love with. It's my sweater is my lover. My sweater's I love it so much I'm gonna go to sleep with it. So I will see you guys in the morning probably, unless I end the vlog here. Not really sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm exhausted. I'm surprised I even wiped off my makeup. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay, good night. I love you guys, and remember to smile and be happy.